But anyway, we took up the laminate floor, which hides a lot of sins, but they noticed that there was a lot of soft areas and weird feeling places in here, so you can see that they did some patching here and it wasn't high enough, so they added some paneling, it's an overlayment, and then they put down peel and stick, and that's one of the reasons I quit using the peel stick without putting additional glue, troweling it down, because the factory glue will let it move. But they didn't like that, so the people who were selling it put this over everything, which of course that area will probably be, it had to have, this is 5/8 most likely, the particle board. So that means somebody put 1/2 inch and then had to put some overlayment to bring it up. So it's pretty weak. But if you come over here by the toilet, they patched up that area before they put the laminate floor over. That's the kind of thing that I see a lot with laminate floor when a house is getting flipped. Like, oh, let's just run it over, and the thickness of this floor will carry a lot of weight, but invariably whatever's below it will give out. So